Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gear hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of archery with a focus on one essential piece of equipment, the compound bow full containment brush arrow rest. If you're serious about your archery game, you know that having the right arrow rest can make all the difference. And let me tell you, folks, this one right here is the cream of the crop. Allow me to introduce you to the best arrow rest for compound bows available in the market. Crafted by Compound Bow, this arrow rest is engineered to elevate your performance to new heights. Let's break down what makes it stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about versatility. Whether you're a left-handed or right-handed shooter, this arrow rest has got you covered. Its universal design ensures a comfortable and stable shooting experience for all. And installation? Piece of cake. With its quick and easy setup, you'll spend less time tinkering with your gear and more time honing your skills on the range. But what really sets this arrow rest apart is its full containment brush design. No matter the angle, your arrow stays securely in place, ensuring consistent and accurate shots every time. Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the performance, quality, and ease of installation of this arrow rest. From beginners to seasoned pros, everyone can benefit from its precision engineering. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking to take your archery game to the next level, look no further than the Compound Bow Full Containment Brush Arrow Rest. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Be sure to click the link in the description below to get your hands on this game-changing arrow rest today. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more expert reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy shooting!